Just picked up one of these shop lights. This is the Hypertough 5500 lumen 4-foot linkable shop light. This is the LED version. Here's the light itself. Get the pull chain. One of my favorite things from Hypertough is this 5-year limited warranty. And it's on the box right here. This is how the warranty works. Please return this item to place of purchase with valid proof of purchase, and the defective product will be replaced at no charge. So you can take it right back into Walmart where you bought it, and they'll give you a brand new one. So let me show you the light itself. I got this hung up in my storage unit right here, and this is the bulb. And I have this just running off of this Ryobi inverter with a 4-amp battery. Got it running into an extension cord up here, and I just hung it from this water hose just in case like the building catches on fire, that thing will activate. This thing was $16. I believe it's on sale. Try to get them before they sell out. And then I got this this inverter thing for like 40 bucks. And I did, so it's got 1 bar left. It's been running about probably like 45 minutes. I did some testing at my house, and this thing lasted like an hour and 17 minutes on a full charge. And it lights the place up pretty good. I'm gonna turn the light off just so you can see how well it is lit up in here. So you hold this down. And yeah, as you can see, it's pitch black in here. All you can see is the light through the cracks. Let's see if I can even find this thing again. As you can see, huge difference. Not bad for $16. I am thinking about putting up a second one right over here on this other one. And these are linkable, so you can hook up to 4. I think 2 will be plenty for this unit. And then, like I said, with the rail up here, there's another one on this side. And then I can just run this extension cord to the other one, and then just run another extension cord down to the bottom so I can hook up my inverter down there. Yeah, really, really good light so far. I don't know how good the quality is gonna be, you know, being Hypertough, but I haven't had too many issues with any of their stuff. And with a warranty like this, this is better than anybody offers a warranty, so you can just take it right back into the store. It's fairly lightweight, you know, there's no like bulbs in it, so it was really easy to hang up. I just got up on the ladder, and it comes with 2 chains. Let me see if I can zoom in. It's just hanging on by these 2 little thin chains. It does come with some mounting hardware in the box. There's some stuff that's included. Comes with the 2 chains. And if you want to like hard mount this, you can. I was also thinking about getting some magnets, because I was worried with the pull cord and the chains that the light would just be swinging. But fortunately, in my situation, all I have to do is just turn it on and off through this, so I never have to pull the cord, and then it just, you know, stays running until that battery dies. Then I have to swap it out for another one. So yeah, I think it's gonna work out pretty good. Again, this is the Hypertough 5500 lumen 4-foot linkable LED shop light. I'll put a link in the description. Appreciate you checking out the video. See you in the next one.